Hello friends and welcome back to our channel K21 family. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you a recipe of a masala which is highly used in Indian cuisine. And to do this recipe, let's go and start it. And to begin, let's heat the pan on a low flame. Now I'm going to add 2 star anise, half teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 whole mace. In local language it's known as javitri or patri, 6 to 8 cloves, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds which commonly known as kaskas, 3 green cardamom, 1.5 tablespoon of fennel seed, 1.5 teaspoon of black peppercorn, 3/4 inch of cinnamon stick, 3/4 cup of dry coriander seeds, and 6 dry red chillies. Now let's dry roast this for 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure you dry roast this for 3 to 4 minutes and continuously keep on stirring so that the spices don't get burnt. And once you feel the aroma of the spices, turn off the heat. Once you turn off the heat, set this aside to cool down. Now here my spices are very cooled down, so I'm going to transfer this into a mixer jar. And to this, now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Now I'm going to grind this to a fine powder. And so this is homemade Garam Masala Powder ready now. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching our video. And if you really liked our video, the way how we have made this masala, please show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all. And my final word to say, adios.